Look, I've covered OBS before, but a lot of you skip through the tutorial, miss the key steps, and then come back blaming OBS itself. So this time, I'm keeping it as short as possible. 3 steps, no fluff. When you first install a fresh Windows and launch OBS for the first time, it almost always shows a black screen instead of capturing your game, like you can see in this screenshot right here. Now here's what you're thinking. Is this an OBS bug? No, it's not. It's a permissions issue, and it's fixed in 3 steps. Step 1. Search for OBS, right-click it, and choose Open File Location. Now here's the thing. The first location it takes you to is usually a shortcut. So right-click that shortcut again, hit Open File Location once more, and now you're at the actual install folder. Right-click the OBS launcher, go to Properties, and head to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Now, if you're on a single Windows account, that checkbox is enough. But if you have multiple accounts or you're not sure, click Change Settings for all users first, then check Run as administrator. Hit Apply, then OK. Step 2. This one catches a lot of beginners. When you add a display capture source in OBS, make sure you actually select your specific monitor from the dropdown. Leaving it unselected is not a glitch. It's just a setting that gets missed. Step 3. After setting OBS to run as administrator, restart your PC once. This part is important. Don't skip it. After the restart, launch OBS and your game capture will work exactly as it should. I kept this one short on purpose so you actually watch it through. Hopefully this gets you sorted. Take care of yourself and your family. Catch you in the next one.